Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. I am your friendly host, Malkah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share with a family member or friend, or just share with your group. All right, today we are going over a different topic. And before you get all bent out of shape, I believe in God Yahweh 100%. I just don't believe in people having faith with no action. Yahweh require actions. So today we're going to go over stop waiting for miracles, build them yourself. Oh, wait a minute. Keep watching the video. You'll see that it makes sense. Here's the truth. No one wants to hear this. Miracles don't just fall into your lap. Yahweh already gave you the tools. Now it's your job to build a miracle. Stop waiting, stop hoping, and start working. The miracle will happen, but you have to work. It's kind of like if you're operating on someone and it's a life-threatening operation and you pray to Yahweh, but you're working and guess what? You saved their life. You're like, it's a miracle. But guess what happened? Yahweh make it happen, but you had to work, right? All right. Yahweh is first. So let's go ahead and go with our scripture. James 2:17, which says, "Even so, faith, if it had not works, is dead, being alone." So you having faith alone is like standing, you're a doctor and you're standing over the person and you're like, "Oh, please, I need a miracle. Come back to life, come back to life." But you're not doing anything. You have to put in the work. Hey, a lot of people know it, but they don't want to do the work. For you who are listening to this video, I am giving you the truth and I'm speaking to your soul, the L in you. Do the work. Waiting for a miracle without action is passivity disguised as faith. It's passive. It's a passive idea. Faith is active, it's not passive. True faith moves, works, and takes responsibility. Waiting on a miracle. Yahweh provides opportunity, direction, and wisdom. You're commanded to act on it. Miracles are activated through obedience and work. See, you can't get overwork. See, many people want provision, they want wealth, they want money, they want this, that. Yeah, I said wealth and money because it's two different things. They want so much, but they will not put in the work. You have to build that miracle. Recognize the resources already given, your skills, time, connections, knowledge. Recognize them. Move even when you think things are imperfect. Some people said, "Oh my gosh, it has to be perfect." You don't even know what perfection is. Stop it. You have no clue what perfection is. That's just your way of not getting started. Start the business, open the account, build a platform. Step three, multiply impact. You create systems, delegate, and plan. Miracles aren't magic, they're divine aligned action. Actions that you take that lines up by Yahweh. Now, how to apply this to your business and your life? Build a business. Don't wait for funding to appear. Build a business. The minute you start selling something to someone, you have a business. Start a platform. Don't wait for visibility. Look at this channel. I'll get like two, three views. It doesn't matter. Those three people who are listening, who watch the videos, they're going to take the message and better themselves and the nation as a whole. Start a platform. Don't wait for visibility. Learn a skill. Don't wait for an opportunity to come. Create a system. Don't wait for employees. Miracles are birthed by faithful execution, not hope alone. You have hope, which is your faith, but you now put in the works. All right. Praise Yahweh Shalom. That's it. We specialize in business. Want to know where? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. BahtKaleb Consultant, BahtKalebConsultant at gmail.com, or sign up at www.bahtkalebconsultant.com. Glory to Yahweh. Here's the information again, or consultant at bahtkalebconsultant.com. We also have books out there that you can Google how to go from broke to bankable in 30 days. I think there's one with the seasons of businesses. It's so many books and stuff out there. Some are, I think, digital and paperback. All right. Go ahead and comment. Praise Yahweh. Glory to Yahweh. Take this message to better yourself and the nation as a whole. Praise Yahweh. Shalom.